Morning all, so I'm having a power tool day today. Flynn again is behind the camera. He just won't leave me alone. He's one of them, isn't he? Anyway, he's a good lad, he's half Flynn. I'll try not to get him on camera because he's wanted in several countries. Don't worry about that. It's another story for another day. Anyway, I've got one for you today because it's Friday and we all like power tools. Power tools are going to get us by. Remember we was talking about that list for your missus the other day? You're going to need power tools. This is one. So, if your Milwaukee looks a little bit something like that, right, because you've used and abused it, and you want to upgrade it to something that's nice and shiny, that works, Gen 2 by the way, with a 5 amp hour output battery, you can get all that and more at Data Power Tools Limited, alright? And I'm going to tag them below, and they've got a TikTok shop, which as you know, if you buy anything from TikTok, deals are everywhere. Everywhere! So again, you get to see my poorly Milwaukee that definitely stood the test of time, I'm not going to lie. But we did upgrade it to the Gen 2, and that battery is absolutely crucial in getting the most amount of power out of that Gen 2 Milwaukee. 3 apes as well, guys. So anyway, Data Power Tools Limited down below. Check them out. Check out the TikTok shop as well and see just what bargains you can get and to upgrade some of your existing tools. Big love. See you in a bit.